Hi, my name is Meet and I'm 11 years old. Today I'm gonna show you that how to solve the ghost cube. The ghost cube, everyone says that the ghost cube is actually the impossible cube because because all the shapes are really different. Even though, like if you see this one looks almost exactly like this one, but with the lengths they're very different. Plus, they can be turned like this. They can only be turned like this until you can turn it until it's like this. Now you can turn it this way. We'll shuffle this. Start shuffling. First we're gonna do the cross, which is in a 3x3. You can do it easily. But for this, you can't see these two. You can't really see that the ones are actually correct. So you have to see if you're flushed into them. You can see if they're flush if you can use your fingers and feel that they're a little bit connected, and like this, you can see that they're lined up. The next part is on the top, which is this. You need to find a big rectangle for this one, and it looks like it's not flush, but it's actually like is if you look at it like this. And last but not least, this one. But here's the thing, this one and where's the other one? This one, they look exactly the same. But this one is correct because they're flushed, and this one isn't because it could be flushed to it, but it has it right here, and we need that one to the last layer. So now we need the corners. You can see that there is 3 of this in here. So the one that is a little longer, which is this one or this one, we can see that if they're longer. Either this one or this one. Longer if you do this. This one looks longer to me, but let's see. And also, I forgot about this one. It could be this one, or it could be this one. Where's this one? Yeah. But this one is a lot longer than this, and this is not flushed. And now we need those 3D triangles, which is one down here, and the other one right here. Looks like we pressed. Okay, now we did the first layer. The second layer is now to be started. So we need to find the one that is like this, like if you turn it around. So if we turn it around like this, and turn it like lined up, turn it around front.
Can you show the first layer?
This is the first layer is done.
Which one is solved?
This is the first layer, which is solved.
Moved it? Okay.
So now we need to find the middle parts of these. So if this is not like flush here, you should turn it right here. Turn it around. Put this one back so we don't want to ruin it. And turn it around because, like this, because you want to have it so that the dots are here. And we don't want this one. We turn so I think this triangle gets in. If it's not right, then we can just do it again. Turn it around here, right here. It works right like that. And that was wrong. Right this way. Okay, now we did these two. Now we have to do the rest, which is, I already have this one done. Now we have to do all this one. So now we have finished this part. Now we have to do these. These are like the middle parts of this 3x3, like these. So it'll be the exact same formula if you know how to do it. If it does not fit like that, then I have to move to the next part. Just work here, and this is going to be like this. So if it fits on one side and it's flushed, now you can do it. Now you can do the formula. Now this one's done, this one's done. You have to do this same one. There's another one which is going to be the opposite of this. And it looks exactly the same almost, but it's not. And if it's flush, it has to be flush with this one. The big triangle has to be flush with this one. So now this one's done. Now last but not least, this one. This one has to go here because it's the opposite of this one. Flushed. Now this one is flush. Now last but not least, this one. I can see that there's one corner like this. It looks like this other one is also like that. So we can do like the normal 3x3. Do the formula F R U R over U over F bar. And we see that this one is flushed here. And this one, it looks like it's flushed. So we can do this one F R U R over U over F bar. And it looks like we're done with the cross. Now we're going to try to do this one. Fix this part. Looks like this one looks like it's fixed, so now we can just put it right here. Front one, we do R, U, R bar, U, R, U2, and R bar. This one's still flush and none of them are, so let's do it again. R, U, R bar, U, R, U2, and R bar. It looks like all the cross is now finished. Last but not least, we need to do the corners, like the 3. But the only thing is that we don't actually know how to see it, because if you see this, you can see that the colors, you can actually see the colors right here. Colors that are correct, so I actually did something so it shows that. So you can actually really see if the colors are correct. But this one we can't. And it looks like none of them are correct. So we have to do L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R, U prime. And now, it looks like these corners, looks like all of them are at the same spot if you do this. But really, it's not, because these two has to be going right here, and these two has to be right here, so none of them are correct. If we do this, we can do the formula. And now it looks like one of the corners are done. So we can use this corner and do the rest. Not still correct. Let's see. Still not correct. Because this one has to go right here, so. And so let's see. Looks like these two are now needs to be done. Now we have to do R bar, D bar, R, D, R bar, D bar, R, D. And since this is flush, that means the last one must be correct. R bar, D bar, R, D, D, R bar, D bar, R, D, R bar, D bar, R, D, R, D bar, R, and D. Now this is solved. So that's how you solve the ghost cube. Bye.